After the Pocket Calculator video, probably some of you thought that is it really necessary nowadays to buy a Pocket Calculator when there are so many programs available even freely to the computer? Now we will introduce a couple of those programs that can be used on our laptop. Even though we are not going to use them on this course, we want to give you this information so that you can talk about these programs with your future teacher in your future studies. The first program that we are going to see is SpeedCrunch. This is a free program that can be downloaded from here, and that it's used in order to calculate simple calculations fast. That is its main purpose. It doesn't have many advanced functionalities. The next calculator is Calculate with Q, and that is also a free calculator that can be downloaded from this page. And that has some more advanced functionalities. For instance, with the solve command, it can solve equations. So now we wrote an equation within the solve command. In the calculator will immediately give us the answer for the x. This Calculate has many advanced functionalities also that we are not going to go through now. Next calculator is GeoGebra. GeoGebra has many kind of applications, but I would recommend you to search for this GeoGebra Classic 6. This classic version of GeoGebra includes all of these others. And if you see this page in Finnish, by the way, you can change the language over here. GeoGebra works perfectly on a browser. We can start it from here, or you can also download it to your computer and install it. I will start the browser version. And as you see, we can see a nice coordinate system. GeoGebra is especially used in this kind of graphical problems that we want to solve in maths, or if we want to construct some geometrical model, for instance. I can make points here and probably connect them with the line, yes, and we can draw circles and graphs and all kinds of things. We can use that also to calculate something simple. The most advanced calculator that we are going to see is TI Nspire CX CAS student software. In Finland, this is the place to buy it. This is not freely available. It has a 1-year license and a 3-year license. This is the most advanced calculator that we are going to see. And this is actually the software version of the same calculator that we saw in the Pocket Calculators video. There we had the physical version of this one. At the end, the most advanced calculator. So here is the same thing, just that we have a larger screen and probably it's easier to use with the larger screen and with the mouse and keyboard. So of course we can calculate something simple, and here we can find the square root mark, so we can write mathematics as if we would have a notebook. So that can be user friendly. Anyways, when you go to study further, you should always talk with your teacher that if you are allowed to use this kind of programs, or should you buy a pocket calculator for your studies. sometimes there might be restrictions, especially in the exams, where probably some schools allow the usage of computer and others no.